Okay, we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a person you follow on social media. You follow means present tense. Please.
There are so many persons that I follow on social media now. Social media nowadays, I follow different accounts like Food Mart, house decor, home designing, fashion designing, etc. But nowadays, I follow one cook. She's one chef. She's Chef Rida, because she made very delicious food, and I followed her because when in COVID days we don't go outside, we were not go outside. Then I was craved to eat my favorite dishes that I ate in my restaurant, in my favorite restaurant. So one day I opened an account. I really don't know about the recipe and anything because I am not a good cook. I just made tea, egg, and pre-cooked dishes. And I opened account of Chef Rida, and the reviews are very good about the dish. Then I made my favorite dish, garlic cheese bread, and after made it.
Okay, thank you very much. You have spoken for 1 minute. Listen now. The topic is describe a person you follow on social media. When you're describing your past even, then you're using present tense. For example, you said, I don't know how to make anything. You should have said, I didn't know how to make anything, but after watching her channel, I learned many new recipes and all that. Then you said, we were not go. We never use was were with first form of the verb. We were not go is wrong. We did not go. Okay. So these type of mistakes, mainly these mistakes are related to tenses. So you need to overcome these. Okay. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What can people do on social media?
People can do different things, different activities, like they advertise their abilities, they advertise their social abilities that they have.
Come on, you can say people can teach IELTS on social media. Okay, some
People can
teachers
teach,
teach
some
whatever
teachers
they
teach.
know.
Yeah.
Housewives, they teach cooking on
Cooking.
social media, right? Some people teach how to dance, whatever they know, the talent and all that. So just, I mean, what can people do on social media? Again, signposting. First of all, people can. Secondly, some people can also. Finally,
also.
so like this, okay? So focus your tenses. Tenses are weak at the moment, right? Thank you.
Okay, thank you.